Hi everyone, how are you today? I just want to congratulate you on getting through the midterms. I gotta say, a lot of you really blew my mind with all your great, insight and conversation with the content. It sounds like it's really resonating well with a lot of you, and I'm really thankful for your energy and hard work. So, congratulations. We're really getting towards the end of the semester, which is also kind of great. I'm sure you're all really excited about that. Today, I just wanted to check in and say Happy Earth Day and to just talk about what's going on for this week. You know, last week we kind of learned about how the human body grows a baby, which is pretty special and lovely. But sometimes we want to do things that make babies and not make babies, right? So there's also the idea about how to do that, how to protect ourselves from unwanted pregnancies. This week you're going to do contraception, abortion, and sexually transmitted infections. So those are the things you're going to learn about this week, which you probably did some of this younger, hopefully in high school. Maybe it was awesome. Although I think by the look of all of your initial kind of posts, what you learned wasn't awesome. Maybe it wasn't comprehensive. Maybe it was abstinence based. But in any case, this is another opportunity to kind of learn some more about how to protect ourselves from disease and unwanted pregnancy. So you've got this module this week. So just make sure that you're looking at all the content and reading the reader. And have a good week. And happy Earth Day. Do something good for the planet. I don't know what it is, but you get to decide. And I look forward to reading your posts on this and from the ones that were due yesterday. So take good care. Bye-bye.